Hi everyone, welcome to Microsoft Ignite 2020. My name is Rukma Sen and I work on a set of incubation products in Microsoft Security. Today, my colleague Devram Egan and I will show you how Microsoft Secure Score and Azure Secure Score help you answer the question, how secure is my organization? As you will all know, the answer to that question is crucial in determining your organization's security strategies, processes, and preventing the possibility of attack or breach. Let's begin with a trip back in time to a world before digital transformation. All of your corporate assets lived within a perimeter, your corporate network, and security pretty much monitored, patched, and responded to threats in a central way. Then digital transformation happened and it completely changed how the world does business. All of our customers develop digital capabilities to remain competitive, to innovate, to grow, and to lead. Data and information is really the lifeblood of digital transformation. But the flip side of this is that your data is also very enticing to cyber criminals who are out there trying to come up with ever more sophisticated ways to attack your digital estate. And how do you keep them out? The old ways, hardening your corporate perimeter, don't make very much sense really in this mobile first self-serve SaaS app world. So to keep attackers out and all of your important data safe, companies have adopted cybersecurity solutions across the breadth and complexity of modern digital estates. From endpoint managers to email security gateways to cloud access security brokers, security departments must defend against new and innovative threat actors every day and constantly reinforce their defenses. So all of this adds at least 3, if not more, layers of complexity. First, the breadth of security tools to protect every single part of your estate can result in a profusion of alerts and admin roles. Siloed data inside each product doesn't really allow for full kill chain visibility and all of the context that would really allow you to prioritize your most impactful risks first. Second, in addition to the breadth, each solution that you do have has many thousands of controls underlying it. Turning on some of them could break others or cause problems for your authorized users and applications. And then, of course, the third challenge is just the constant movement that powers the modern organization. Roles are getting added, people are getting onboarded, controls and settings are constantly changed in response to the shifting landscape. And then, of course, to add complexity, new compliance requirements are emerging every day, to say nothing of the brand new products and tools and new market spaces that we're innovating in and developing. So all of this complexity makes it very difficult actually to answer a question that's very, very important. How secure is my organization? And of course, the follow-up question to that, what can I do next to address the most impactful risks? This is where Microsoft Secure Score comes in. Microsoft Secure Score helps you answer this question across Microsoft security products. So we have products that help you secure and manage your identities, apps, data, and devices across your organization and provides a rich depth of controls, all of which actually are just opportunities for you to maximize your security posture. So Microsoft Secure Score brings all of this together in a single pane of glass, allowing you to assess risk, prioritize remediation, and really unlock the potential of getting all of your tools to work together. All right, so let's look at what it looks like. Your Microsoft Secure Score dashboard pulls together the 3 important components of security posture management. So on the left, you'll see your score, and then you will see that divided by category as well. Then you will see a prioritized list of next actions that you can take to make your organization more secure. And then finally, on the right-hand side, you will see trends and benchmarking and metrics. So let's start with the score itself. So your Microsoft Secure Score is a percentage. It reflects your security posture across apps, identities, devices, and data. Each Microsoft security product that you own comes with a rich depth of controls. And what we do at Secure Score is assign each control numerical points, which reflects the severity, criticality, and then also risk represented by the configuration and use of that control. Then we constantly, continuously monitor your organization and then award points per control. So your secure score is calculated by dividing the total number of points your organization has been awarded by the total possible number of points for all the controls. So an example of this, just to make it more real, would be a control in the devices workload of Microsoft Secure Score is turning on antivirus on all devices. So if your organization has antivirus on all devices, you will be awarded the full number of points for that particular control. If not, Secure Score will award you the proportion of points that reflects your organization's antivirus coverage. So that's really how Secure Score works, to give you a single vision pane of glass for how secure your organization is at any one particular moment. All right, then how do you answer the next question? So what should I do next? What are the top things I should do to improve the score? So what we do is, based on the point value of a control, which, as I said, that number really reflects risk, severity, and criticality, we provide you with a prioritized list of improvement actions you can take. We also show you how much each of those will really affect your score, which helps you gauge just how impactful a particular action will be and enables your team to really plan remediation and response very strategically. And then finally, Secure Score also addresses our third challenge of constant movement by allowing you to continually improve, just 1% better every day, by showing you how your Secure Score has changed over time. So it shows you how you're trending, and it also shows you a detailed list of events that have caused it to change. So you know exactly what you have to do or what you have to change to go improve your secure score, get it back to what it was yesterday, etc. Additionally, what we also provide is a quick gut check for you on the state of your security posture by benchmarking yourself against industry and geographical peers, and as well as any custom group really that you'd like to compare your organization against. So in sum, Microsoft Secure Score helps you to quickly understand how secure your organization is and take quick action to improve your posture and develop a continual improvement process for your security teams. So far we have discussed identities, data, apps, and devices. But of course, a critical part of your digital estate is just your infrastructure. So I'd like to welcome my colleague, Devrim Egan, who will show you how Azure Secure Score helps you manage infrastructure security.
Thank you. Thank you, Rukma. Hi, folks. My name is Devrim Egan, and I work in the Azure Product Management team. I lead our marketing efforts for Azure Security Center. Thank you for joining us today. So far, Rukma covered how you can improve your security posture for identities, data, apps, and devices with Microsoft Secure Score. Let's switch gears and talk about how you can improve your security posture for your infrastructure. When we think about protecting Azure, Azure Security Center is our go-to place. Azure Security Center provides cloud security posture management capabilities with Azure Secure Score and extended detection and response capabilities with Azure Defender, giving you the capability to streamline your security management. Let's talk specifically about Azure Secure Score and how it can help you improve your security posture. Azure Security Center continuously assesses the security state of your cloud resources across your virtual machines, networks, apps, and data services. This Ignite, we are happy to announce that Azure Security Center now provides support for Azure Arc, allowing you to monitor your workloads running in Azure on premises and in other clouds such as AWS and GCP. Its cross-cloud capabilities help you visualize your entire security estate and quickly get insights on your configured security controls. Azure Secure Score is the core of Azure Security Center's posture management capabilities. It provides insights into your current state and gives you a set of prioritized recommendations so you can quickly improve your security posture and know where to focus first. Azure Secure Score is a number, a percentage. It uses the same mechanism in the backend to calculate that percentage, such as Microsoft Secure Score. So the backend mechanism is the same. One thing I'd like to highlight here is the fact that your secure score is a representation of how healthy you are. And that might change over time. So your secure score might fluctuate over time. For those of you who got into bread making, I can say that your Azure Secure Score is the yeast of your security bread, okay? You have to keep feeding it in order to make sure it's healthy. By that I mean, when you introduce a new resource in your environment, you need to make sure that you're following the security best practices and keeping an eye on your secure score. So always make sure to monitor your secure score and make it a priority to always act on the top 5 recommendations. Without further ado, I'd like to take you to our improved user interface for Azure Security Center and show the product in action. We've worked so hard to get to here, and we really hope you like what you see. Okay, folks, we're in the Azure portal, and this is the Azure Security Center dashboard. At Ignite, we have changed the main Security Center product experience. With the new experience, Security Center serves as the central overarching place that includes multiple independent cloud security pillars such as Azure Secure Score, regulatory compliance, and of course, Azure Defender, where each of these pillars also has its own dedicated dashboard, allowing deeper insights and actions around that vertical. In here, you can also see that we have a summary view for your Azure subscriptions and your multi-cloud resources, such as your AWS accounts and GCP projects. If I click on the Secure Score link, it will take me to my Secure Score dashboard, where I can get into one of my subscriptions and see the health of that particular subscription. In this case, my secure score is 48%, and I have some unhealthy resources indicating that there is, some work I can do to get my resources in a more secure state. So if I scroll down this page, I can see that Azure Secure Score is giving me multiple recommendations to achieve a more secure state. If I look at the recommendations, I can see that they are listed based on their priority order. For example, if I remediate, all the recommendations in here under the remediate vulnerabilities section, my secure score will increase by 9%. And that's around enabling MFA. Multi-factor authentication is one of those things, we keep talking about. It's super important to make sure you enable multi-factor authentication in your environment. But if you take a close look now, we don't only give you recommendations for Azure, we also provide recommendations for AWS resources. Specifically, this one calling out that you need to enable your AWS Security Hub in every region for your AWS accounts. So this gives you a quick overview of your Azure Security Center updated UI, including our most recent support for multi-cloud using Azure Arc. Well, I hope you enjoyed the demo. Let's go back to our presentation quickly. That concludes our demo. I hope you enjoyed it. I'd like to leave you with, 2 key takeaways for today. Make sure to monitor your secure score, whether it is your Microsoft Secure Score or your Azure Secure Score, and please act upon your top 5 recommendations today. So thank you again for joining us. We have a lot of great sessions at Ignite. We hope you enjoy it. Take care.